What we'll run through real quick is if you need to bypass your system, say you ever have some sort of leak or you want to fill up your pool, you want to water the lawn and you just don't want to run it through your filtration systems. Just so you know, don't get confused no matter which system you have. This right here is an iron breaker, sulfur breaker system. What it does is it takes out all the iron. You may just have the city water system, which in this case, this is a Series 2 system. And what we're gonna do in a second is just walk right up here, look at the valves in the back of the system, what you would turn. One thing you do want to keep in mind, in this case, the shutoff is right here for this system. It's a well water application. You will have a valve like that on your incoming line next to either one of your systems. So when you have that little handle, it's best if you shut that off if you want to relieve the pressure. You don't have to, but it will make it easier to turn these red valves up here as you come. All right, if you come up here, we'll look at the water softener right here. As you guys can see, on each of these valves, it actually has an inlet line where you see the arrow coming in. Then on the other side, it has the outlet. So water coming in, water going out. This is your drain line. If you were wondering, this is what goes to the drain when it cleans itself. These valves, after you've shut the water off, you just turn them to face each other. They have arrows. This is in use, meaning the arrow is going with the arrow. This arrow is coming out, that arrow is going out. If you want to shut them, bypass your system, you're just gonna turn one and to the other. And now you have bypassed your system. Your water coming in is just gonna shoot through there and not go through the system. And then when you put it back in use, you can do them slowly if you want, and then go back and turn your water main back on. It's the same thing here for this iron breaker. Gonna have the same thing. All right, and guys, just so you know, if you have one of the older series systems that we have, they could have a stainless shell, they could be white. We've sold a few different Clack models over the years. They're all gonna be similar. You can always find your inlet line with the water shutoff. We've always done a complimentary water shutoff valve right there coming on the inlet line. You can always shut that off. That will always tell you which one's your inlet, but usually in most cases, you'll always have a diagram on top of these valves. I hope this helps. Anything else, check out the rest of our frequently asked questions. We have a lot of common stuff on there that we get. Thank you.